Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video we're going to be learning how to make cauliflower special fried rice. So I'm separating the leaves from the cauliflower florets. Now I'm going to be cutting the florets out individually. I'm going to give that a good wash. I'm going to get my food processor out and grind this into the rice texture, and it should look something like this. This is now going to go into the microwave for around 7 minutes, and it should look something like this after it's finished. So for the rice, I'm going to need some shiitake mushrooms, some peppers, some prawns, some onions, some eggs, grilled chicken, which I've diced, some spices, curry, thyme, paprika, aromat, chili flakes, garlic powder, and salt. Some olive oil, some sesame seed oil. So now I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of the olive oil to the pan. I'm gonna add the onions, the peppers. I'm gonna let that simmer while I stir. I'm gonna add the mushrooms, the spices, give it a good stir. Some prawns, I beat together the eggs and I've added that to the mix too. And you want to give that a good stir to combine it well. I've now added the chicken. And I'm now adding 2 tablespoons of the sesame seed oil. This gives it that oriental taste to it. Give that a good stir. Now the cauliflower rice that I prepared earlier has been added to the mix. And you want to make sure you combine that thoroughly. And that is it. Cauliflower special fried rice is served. This is one of my favorite low carb meals to enjoy while on this lifestyle, and it's never complete without some chili oil. I drizzle about 1 teaspoon of this on almost every meal that I have, and I love it. And there you have it.